Breaking news, guys. The president of Ghana has sent some military troops down to Jamaica. We all know there's an ongoing crisis happening in Jamaica right now, and the government of Ghana have sent humanitarian aid to them and also sent their troops to go help them out. I'm going to be sharing the video here for you guys to watch. Please, as you watch it, do well to like the video, share and subscribe.
45 troops with Ghana Armed Forces Central Command on grade. Because the Ghana report is sir. May I have your permission to call him, sir? Yes, sir. The Jamaica Ghana engineer.
Thank you very much, dear sir.
Ghana just dey get am clear. Ghana deploys 54 soldiers to Jamaica for international rebuilding support mission. Ghana just dey get am clear. Now, not me say Ghana only dey deliver for their country. Ghana now dey send help to other country. They send assistance to other country. Would they look this thing like they play before you go know Ghana don't turn the giant of Africa.
Ghana has dispatched 54 personnel from the Ghana Armed Forces 14 Engineer Brigade, designated as Engineer Contingent 1, to Jamaica to support reconstruction efforts following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. The storm left over 40 people dead and inflicted damages estimated at $8.8 billion. Addressing the troops at a pre-departure ceremony, Ghana's President John Mahama urged them to serve with dignity and uphold Ghana's global commitment to humanitarian assistance and international solidarity.
So you're going to be engaged on this mission in engineering and reconstruction works. You'll be engaged in technical and logistical support services. You'll be engaged in community-focused assistance. Your conduct will reflect the values, discipline, and humanity of the Ghanaian soldier. Through you, Ghana is going to convey a clear message to the people and government of Jamaica that they are not alone and that Ghana stands in solidarity with them. Ghana stands with them in this moment of rebuilding and recovery. This mission symbolizes a bridge of solidarity across the Atlantic and grounded in shared history and mutual respect.
The deployment was made possible through logistical support from the United States, which provided a C-17 aircraft to transport the Ghanaian contingent and essential equipment for the rebuilding mission.
National salute! Salute!
Right Honourable Speaker, this morning, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama participated in a historic farewell parade at the Jubilee Lounge at the Kotoka International Airport to deploy a contingent of 54 Army engineers and 5 medical doctors drawn from the 48th Engineers Regiment and affiliated units to Jamaica to assist with the construction and recovery efforts. The mission's mandate also includes the assessment and repair of damaged public infrastructure, emergency restoration of critical access routes, stabilization works in landslide-prone locations, and support for shelter reconstruction. The medical doctors will provide surge medical capacity in coordination with Jamaican health authorities and humanitarian health partners, including primary care, emergency treatment, and public health interventions to mitigate disease risks among displaced and affected populations. The contingent have been airlifted by the United States military aircraft C-17 under agreed logistics support arrangements. The agreed movement schedule. Aircraft is scheduled to depart the Kotoka International Airport within the next few hours and to land in Kingston, Jamaica tomorrow, the 18th of December 2025. Right Honourable Speaker, upon arrival in Kingston, the contingent will operate under the coordination framework agreed with the government of Jamaica and with the support of Ghana's diplomatic representatives accredited to Jamaica. Operational research.
After the destruction of the hurricane, Ghana dispatched humanitarian assistance to the friendly people of Jamaica and Cuba, and also to the displaced people of Sudan. This humanitarian assistance included food aid, locally produced Ghanaian rice, blankets, mattresses, plastic buckets, medicines, and other such accoutrements.
The last time the government of Ghana sent in like mattress, medications, and a lot of things during the hurricane that happened in Jamaica, and right now these other ones are sending their troops to go help out. And not just the military, in the military they have engineers, they have medical doctors, they have a lot of things there, so they sent most of these people there, engineers that are going to help in the construction of their buildings and many other things. What I tell you guys, that Ghana as a country is so concerned about every other African country, just like our own father, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, would always help other Africans. We all know Dr. Kwame Nkrumah helped other Africans to gain independence, countries like Nigeria to gain their independence. So this is the line, the footstep of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. It is what the president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, is taking, and is working towards that. To me, this is a nice step that he's taking to help other countries. And Ghanaians, what do you actually think about this? What do you have to say concerning the troops the president of Ghana sent to Jamaica? Please comment below, like this video, and share.